It's time to start generating a proposal. This example is for roofing, but you could use a similar format for any trade. Insurance roofing projects are in another tutorial video. Start by entering a detailed prompt. The more information you can give, the better. Next, click the plus icon. Once your company cam is connected, you can search your projects and add relevant photos. Then add any PDF measurement report, and if you don't have company cam, simply upload photos. Along with the prompt, this is what XBuild AI references to generate your first proposal draft. Click the Send button to generate the proposal. To see the documents you used for this project, click the folder icon at the top of the chat. To delete the project or start over, hit the three dots at the top left of your screen. Now let's take a look at your proposal preview. You'll see there are project details, a company introduction, annotated photos, and an estimate based on the information you provided. To make changes, request them in the chat or enter edit mode to revise any part of it. You can change the cover photo, edit the introduction text to reflect your business philosophy, and add in additional sections with more information to build homeowner trust, and about us, testimonials, etc. Manage the site photography by choosing which images to include and dragging images to reorder. You have control to edit the annotations as well. Expand the estimate and adjust the display settings to show quantities, unit prices, and line totals for a transparent breakdown. Single estimate selection only applies if you have more than one included. Edit the estimate to fine-tune the margin for this project. Reclassify specific line items from material to labor, and delete, add, or duplicate line items. You can drag items to reorder as well. Explore adding a new estimate for siding or a gutter replacement add-on. You can manually add the line items or add more documents and a prompt in the chat. Additional upgrades are also a proven way to increase revenue on every job. If you want to offer the homeowner good, better, and best options based on this proposal, simply save your edits and request this in the chat. XBuild AI has been trained to ask clarifying questions. Answer them in detail. You can even ask the chat, what are you missing to create this proposal? Review the newly added tiered options, making sure the descriptions and pricing for each level meet your requirements before publishing. If you decide you don't actually want to include a good, better, best breakdown, or want to revisit previous versions of the proposal, scroll up in the chat to find the draft you want. You can preview what the homeowner will see by clicking the arrow in the top right of your screen. AI is designed to help with your busy work, but we still recommend giving the final output one last look over before hitting publish. When you're ready to close the deal, hit the publish button. Add the homeowner's full name. By publishing the proposal, the homeowner will receive a proposal link and a PDF of the estimate. Then include a personalized message to send along with the link. If there is another team member in XBuild you would like to receive the proposal as well, add them here. Then hit publish. It will take a minute to generate the final outputs and send to the homeowner. When the homeowner opens their email, this is what they will see. The message you wrote along with a button they can click to view the proposal. They can then review the estimates, select the package they want, and choose any optional upgrades you may have offered. They can sign the proposal immediately, and if you have Stripe Connect set up on your account, they can pay the deposit right there. Back in XBuild, if you want to see the proposal, go back to your account and click on Projects. You will see this one and any others you have made. Another estimate created, sent, and signed. Congratulations. Let's do another.